Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is my brand new OnePlus 6 which I have unboxed yesterday, and I have already posted an unboxing video. If you haven't seen that video, I will leave a card over here, so if you want you can check that out. By the way, I am really impressed with this phone. So basically in this video I am going to do a gaming test, or you can say a gaming review of this smartphone. So yeah, so first of all let me guys tell you the specification of this smartphone. This smartphone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, which is the latest flagship chip from Qualcomm. If you don't know that, let me tell you that. And by the way, this smartphone has 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, and the battery is 3300 mAh. And I'm going to tell you everything about the gaming aspect of this phone. And this phone has Adreno 630 GPU, which is very good GPU for gaming. And let's see, by the way, this is AMOLED display, so the gaming will gonna look very good. And this smartphone also supports HDR, which is a really nice thing. So basically in this video I'm going to play these games. This is PUBG, Nova Legends, Asphalt 8 and Modern Combat 5. These are very high demanding game in terms of graphics. So yeah, I am going to play these games in this smartphone. So guys, for temperature, I don't have any hardware to check the temperature, so I'm using this application called Phone Temperature. Basically it measures the battery temperature of your smartphone, and right now the temperature is 28 degrees Celsius. The battery is 74% and time is 1:11 AM. So let's start the game. Let me remove everything from the RAM. As you see, let's start the PUBG. And the graphic demand from this game is very high, so that's why I'm playing this game. And by the way, 845 processor is very powerful. It is latest flagship chip from Qualcomm, if you don't know that. So I don't think it will gonna have any problem in this game. Guys, first of all I will show you the graphic setting, then I will start playing. As you see guys, it's not on HD, it is on HDR, which is very high. Also it is on ultra, and the colors are, or you can say style, is on classic. So let's start this game. And by the way, this is the speaker of this smartphone. The speaker is on the bottom, I can say, and I don't know, I am not comfortable with this speaker. The speaker quality is not that great. I mean, we have expected some good quality speakers from this smartphone, but the quality of this speaker in this smartphone, I don't think it is very good or very satisfying, you can say that. By the way, the graphic looks stunning, as you see. Oh my god, the graphic looks really good, and there is not even a little bit choppiness over here. And that's what I'm talking about guys. When I put my hands over here, it easily blocks the speaker, as you see. And when you play games, you'll play like this and it will block your gaming, or you can say that your perception of watching the display. So guys, this is the gameplay. Oh my god, it's very smooth. By the way, I have played this game in this phone quite a lot. I have seen the gameplay already, and the gameplay is quite smooth, as you see. It's damn smooth. Okay, I have done the wrong things. We have to wait a little bit for the parachute to open. By the way guys, I am shooting this video in 30 FPS, so I know in 30 FPS it is not going to show, like it will not going to be visible at very high setting, because this game plays on more than 30 FPS. So you understand what I'm trying to say guys. The camera records this video in 30 FPS, and I'm playing this game in around 50 to 60 FPS. So yeah, FPS clashes, you know what I'm saying. So let me land it first. So if you see some choppiness, that will be because the FPS clashing, not the gameplay. The gameplay is really smooth. Wow, the gameplay is quite smooth guys. Okay, I got the guns, got the crossbow. Wow, I haven't used the crossbow. Let's try the crossbow. How it, wow, looks, oh my god. Damn. Where am I? I'm over here, I have to go there. Okay, someone is here. Let's exit. Let's find them. Where are you? No one is here. Okay. I found you. I've used the crossbow, guys. I have used a crossbow. Yes, I have got one killed. By the way, guys, the graphics quality is really good. As you see, the graphics quality and the gameplay is really smooth. Like, it's damn smooth, I can say that. Now I guess it's time to exit the game because it is taking too much time. Let's kill the game from the memory and let's see the temperature. Guys, as you see, the temperature is 32 degrees Celsius. Wow, it's quite good. By the way, I'm in an air conditioned environment, so the temperature should be very good because the room temperature is quite chilled. And wow, the thermal performance of this device is quite good. Even though it's glass, but it doesn't feel warm or anything like that. It's only 32 degrees Celsius. Right now the battery is 70% and it's 1:22 AM. And let's kill everything from the RAM, as you see. And let's try this Asphalt 8. Wow, the loading time is pretty damn fast. Wow, the graphics quality is dope, man. By the way, the graphics quality is on high, and as you see, it's really good. I mean, it looks really good, and the gameplay is really smooth, as you see. I don't find any stutter or lag over here. Like, it's really smooth. You can say it's buttery smooth. Wow, guys, the gameplay is pretty smooth, so I don't think so. If you are a like very high-end gamer too, then you should buy this smartphone. It does not going to disappoint you in any manner in terms of gameplay. By the way, I will test other things too, so stay tuned on the channel for other things like camera and other stuff. So yeah, have you seen the shadows, guys? The shadows and the texture quality is pretty dope, even though the game running very smoothly. So I am impressed with the gameplay. I have to win this game, guys. Yeah, I have to get on the first. So I have quit this game and the temperature is 31 degrees Celsius, which is lower than the last time. That means PUBG hit harder on the temperature, or I can say the processor. So that's why in PUBG the temperature was little bit more as compared to now, and the charging is, or I can say the battery is 69% and it's 1:26 AM. Let's end those things and let's fire up the Nova. By the way, this game is very good and I like this game, and let's play this game. By the way, the game loading time is really good on this phone, thanks to the UFS 2.1 storage and Snapdragon 845 processor. Wow, it's super smooth, guys. Damn. Let's go.
Let's go. Thanks.
By the way, thanks to the AMOLED display, you see the blacks are super deep in this smartphone basically. Yeah, I had him. Don't worry, bro. Okay. What the hell is this guy?
Reloading.
The graphics quality is very very good, guys. As you see, the graphic is really good. It looks like very real, and the guys gameplay smoothness is very good too. So huge thumbs up from my side to the Modern Combat 5 as well as to OnePlus 6 basically. This chopper is, every time I have to play some game or when I do that gaming review of any smartphone, this chopper is going to be destroyed with my hand or with my gun, you can say that. So guys, the mission is completed. Let's see the temperature. So guys, the temperature has been risen by 2 degrees Celsius. Right now the temperature is 33 degrees Celsius and the battery is 67% and time is 132. So yeah, let's end everything from the RAM and let's start the Legend. This game is very good. I have played it. Oh my God. Dang. Oh guys, this is like more than 60 FPS, guys. Believe me, it's super smooth and the graphics are like unreal.
Details on your e-tax.
Okay, we have to plan that stage first.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Wow, the gameplay is quite good, man. The graphics are very good. Oh my God. If you want to see, guys, the alien type of game, and if you want to play some alien FPS game, then you should try this game. I literally very much like this game.
Everybody, regroup.
Damn, it's very good, guys. This game is really good. Okay, dude, quickly reload the gun. It says to change the... Damn, the mission is successful. Now guys, it's been 4 games I have tried in this phone and the temperature is 34 degrees Celsius, which is quite good by the way, because the room temperature is around 24, I guess. The battery temperature is 34. That means it is a very good sign. The battery life is 65% and time is 137. I'm really impressed with the battery life as well as the gameplay. Yeah, in conclusion, guys, I have to say I'm super impressed with the gameplay and the gaming performance of this smartphone. And if you want to buy any smartphone related to gaming, and if you are planning to buy any smartphone for gaming purpose, then you should try this smartphone. This is really nice. And if you do like this gameplay, and if you like this video, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos on this smartphone. There is lots and lots of amazing content coming on this smartphone, so if you want to see them, just hit that subscribe button with that bell notification icon so you will be notified when I post those videos. So yeah, that's all in this video, guys. By the way, if you want to buy this smartphone, I will leave a link in the description box below, and there is an offer going on Citibank's debit card. So if you want to use that offer, just go ahead and buy this smartphone from my link. It will help my channel out. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye bye.